200 for
200, 200 ban gaye. The fact is, at the moment, that's the big story. At the moment, now we can put the siren. Earlier, the siren was going on at the wrong places. The BJP has hit the 200 mark. That's quite phenomenal. It's only happening for the second time in recent times that a party reaches 200, which is completely a remarkable, miraculous effort and deserves for the BJP and the JDU combined their ability to have built on Maharashtra, where they scored a similar big victory and now scored 200 seats. The BJP leading at the moment on 90, the JDU in 79, BJP 91, JDU in 81, LJP in 21. This has been a one-sided election. It started off with the hope, some thought that it could be कांटे की टक्कर, तोड़िए कोई टक्कर नहीं है, केवल नीतीश और मोदी का चक्कर है. That's right. They are the only two who are there in this entire fight. It's been a complete... Maria, is this beyond your wildest dreams or what you thought on the ground? This kind of sweep?
It's it's unbelievable because, women of Bihar wanted to ensure Nitish Kumar's return was evident, Rajdeep.
Across castes?
Across castes. It was evident. And, okay, let's cut across to Swesha, who's live with us from JDU office. And that's where all the action will be shifting. In fact, I was speaking to the JDU working president, Sanjay Jha, a few moments ago, and he said that Nitish Kumar will be giving a statement. So all eyes will be on man of the moment.
JDU has said, Maria, that Nitish Kumar will be chief minister. So yes, they have emphasized before anyone else takes a claim. They've made it very clear that Nitish Kumar will be the chief minister.
Kumar
Go ahead.
The, hain aur rahenge is the sentence which has been used repeatedly by various JDU leaders. So Swesha, the focus is on that place where you are, the JDU office in Patna. When is Nitish Kumar coming there?
Alright, so firstly, Maria, I want to show you the pictures or the scenes that are unfolding at the JDU office. The Mahila voters that are right here and they are celebrating Nitish Kumar's victory. We understand that the Mahila outreach really helped boost the numbers for the NDA, for the JDU, and that is exactly what we are watching here. I'd like to talk to some of these women. Nitish ji जीत गए हैं, आपने वोट किया, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं. देखिए, ये हमारे खुशी का जश्न ही है जो नीतीश जी की जीत की लहर हम लोग महिलाओं में दिखने को मिल रहा है.
See, they're singing. Let's see. Alright, so there you see how women are here celebrating Nitish Kumar's victory. We understand the disbursal of the 10,000 rupees, especially under the Mahila Rozgar Yojana, that kind of really boosted that sentiment as far as women voters are concerned. In fact, the numbers that clearly indicate that the vote share largely increased for the NDA with more than 23.8% in several districts, wherever the women voters were large in number. In fact, 8 districts, as we understand, where there were more than 50% women voters. And right now they are here as we continue to hear the dhols, the crackers that are bursting. And here they are, the women voters who have now largely gathered in huge numbers, all colored in their faces, celebrating.
जंगल राज का सफाया किए. इस मुट्ठी में जो ताकत है वो हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी जिस प्रकार से इस पांडवों की मुट्ठी की ताकत को बांध के रखे हैं, महिलाओं ने इस मुट्ठी को पकड़ा है, उसको ताकत दी है और बिहार में जंगल राज का सफाया किया है. आप देखिए, बिहार में बस चला रही है महिला, बिहार में मेट्रो चला रही है महिला, बिहार में रात तक पुलिस की वर्दी पहनकर सड़कों पर महिला खड़ी है. क्या आप चाहते हैं, क्या जनता चाहती है कि उनको हम घर में बैठा दें? क्या जनता चाहती है कि उनका अपहरण हो जाए? क्या जनता चाहती है कि जो बहन है उसका पति शाम में घर नहीं आए? क्या हम चाहते हैं कि मेरे बच्चे घर वापस लौट के नहीं आए? हम कदापि नहीं चाहते हैं. इसलिए आज दुर्गा के रूप में बिहार की नारी शक्ति खड़ी है और आज इस महिषासुर के जो जितने दल बल है ना, सबका सफाया हमने किया है और आगे भी सफाया करेंगे.
आगे क्या उम्मीद है नीतीश जी से? आगे क्या उम्मीद?
देखिए, हमारी जोड़ी इतनी हिट है कि इस देश में नहीं विदेश में भी जानते हैं। आपको पता है, मैं कल श्रीनगर से आ रही थी, जब मैं चेकिंग करके आ रही थी तो वहाँ के बीएसएफ के जवान पूछ रहे थे कि किसकी सरकार बनेगी, आपस में बात कर रहे थे। तो मैं कही कि मेरी सरकार बनेगी, तो बोले कौन सी सरकार? हम बोले एनडीए की सरकार। अब सारे जितने जवान थे वो कहने लगे देखो भाई मैडम कह रही है कि एनडीए की सरकार। ये है बिहार की सरकार, ये है एनडीए की सरकार, और ये है
नीतीश जी ही वापस आएंगे, नीतीश जी वापस आएंगे।
नीतीश जी तो आ गए, अब क्या आएंगे?
Right.